Hi, professional marketer William Georgeson here from williamgeorgeson.com, and very welcome at the Home Business Chat, where we look at what's happening in today's marketplace, what's working and what's not. Question for you today is a home business expensive to start? My next question is, where is this question coming from? Is it possibly a mindset issue? How much money is this business going to cost me? Rather than what am I going to invest in my business? And there is a big difference here. Now, this can be a big problem. When you are working as an employee and you are not used to a business idea where you invest money in a business in order to get a return, then you easily look at the cost. What is the price going to be? What's the price tag? What is it going to cost me in order to do this, to buy that? And if you view your business this way, you are viewing it the wrong way around. You should not say, what is it going to cost me? It is going to be expensive to start. You're going to have a plan, yes, but it is an investment. Just think of businesses all around you, traditional businesses, and think of what the investment will be to start off, i.e. a McDonald's franchise, a car dealership, a pharmacy. Does not matter what it is. There is huge cost involved, and that costs all have to be like upfront. Here you've got the option to start a business, and the cost upfront is not that huge. It is honestly not that much. But when the question comes up, what is a business going to cost me to start? Is it expensive to start? Is it expensive to start a home-based business? Then I think that we're looking at more at the mindset issue here. I also want to say, are you looking at the price, P-R-I-C-E, like in the price tag, or are you looking at the prize, P-R-I-Z-E, with other words, your goal that you want to achieve having this business of your own? There is a distinction that you're going to have to make once you move into the world of starting your own business. If you're looking at the price tag, what's it going to cost, what the cost going to be involved, then you are not looking from a point of abundance. You're not in an abundance mindset, and you are in the scarcity mindset, and that it's going to trip you up. It really is. For the most, and the reason why I'm saying this is, for the most, you will find that the magic number out there is that we want to make $10,000 a month, or we want to replace our income. It is normally a fair amount of money that we want to make from this home business to give us whatever that goal is that we want. But in order to get to that number, we're going to have to there must be some input into this. And that input, if I can maybe do a comparison, let's say a figure of $10,000 a month. That figure is in a place of abundance, so to speak. It's an income of abundance. That's a lot of money that you can make per month. If you look at it from the perspective of an employee who's working a 9-to-5 job, that's a good amount of money to make every month from a home business working from home. But if you're looking at the price tag and you say, well, I don't want to pay, let's say $500 a month or $200 a month for on a monthly basis in order to get to this $10,000, then it does not match up. You're looking at income. The $10,000 is so much in abundance mindset, the abundance bracket, and the price tag that you put onto it, that you got to put up front, the monthly money that you got to pay, that is not, you're sort of missing the point there. And just to touch up on I've mentioned a traditional business before. I mentioned McDonald's, I mentioned franchises, pharmacies, car dealerships, whatever. To start off businesses like that is costing you $1 million plus to start it off, that you must have with you. And we're talking about maybe, let's say, accumulating $1 million. And so, to think of it, to start off a business like that, a franchise like that, you must have made $1 million already. So you do understand what to do. What it means to make $1 million already. So in conclusion, what I want to say so far is a home business expensive to start? Is it a lot of money to start a business from home? It depends. It really depends. And it really depends on where you're coming from. It depends on your mindset. It depends on the decisions that you are going to make. But it doesn't have to be expensive to start. There will be money involved in order to start off and to carry on at a monthly basis. There's no such a thing as a free lunch. The free businesses might not be free. It might look free from the outside, but it's not always free. And the reason why I say it might be expensive, it depends, is if you do not have a marketing plan, if you have not learned marketing, the essence, the subjects in marketing, and you start off a business, whether it's a $500, $1,000, whatever initial startup, and ongoing cost every month, if you do not know how to market, how to put that product into people's hands, how to promote it, then your business might be expensive to start up and to run, because you might make a lot of mistakes along the way and it might end up being expensive. But what is this expensive really? This expenses is really your training. It is really your university into this home-based business arena. Because if you have not learned this before, now is the time that you're learning it. And now is the time that you pay that learning, that study fees. And it's not that bad. It's not that bad, because once you know how to do it, you can just carry on doing it with whichever product of your choice. My recommendation here is, when you start a business, you gotta know how to put it into the market. That is really, it is not about your product. The day when you meet and where you become aware of the company, the product that you are so in love with, you might think that this product is absolutely the best. This company is absolutely the best. And yes, it's great. You must think that. But I promise you anything, that you might go out into this world, and you might start looking around, and you might find products and companies that are better priced, that are better quality. And I don't take this lightly when I say it. It is like, I've experienced it. So really, it's not about the thing. It's about marketing the thing. Something else that I can just mention is regarding the marketing of the product or the service. Once you know how to market, once you get the picture in your head right, and you have got the mechanics right, then you get so much more confidence, and you got so much more confidence to go out there. Let's say if you can sell just one item, you get that confidence, and people can see that confidence, they can feel that confidence, they know that you can do this, and they will follow you, they will go with you. But if you are not getting that right, if you don't know how to, if you want to go out there and sell the product and you do not know how, you do not sound confident, and people can see that, they can feel it, they know it. And when they feel that, then they know there's something wrong. They don't always know what, but they know there's something wrong, and that holds them from signing up with you or even buying your product. Even if your product is the best quality, even if it's the best company, even if it is the best price, there's something that they detect. They don't always know what it is, and that is your confidence that is not at a great level. But as soon as you know how to market it, then you've got that confidence because you know how to do it. If you make a mistake, so what? But you still know, you've learned how to do it, and that is really what you need to do in this whole marketing setup. You must know how to market it, so that way it will create a sense of confidence, and then home business will not be that expensive. Home business will not just be a hobby to you, it will be a real genuine form of income. So my friend, thanks for being in. I do appreciate you, and I do appreciate your time. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to this channel, to click on the notification bell so that you know when I come out with the next training in the online home business industry. Thank you.